Hey friends, ready to get amped up and you're looking for that delicious drink but you don't feel like paying $8 or however much they cost these days? Well, I've got the perfect drink for you. Here's what you're gonna need. Milk. Use any kind of milk you feel like. You can use almond, soy, coconut, vanilla, whatever. Caramel or chocolate syrup. Espresso or coffee, preferably espresso, it tastes better and it's a lot stronger. And a cup with ice. Okay, so we're gonna start by putting ice in our cup. Then you're gonna add your caramel. Or caramel or caramel or however you say it. Excuse me. Pardon me. All right, now that we got ourselves composed, we're gonna take the little espresso, I'm coming over here, and you're gonna pop that puppy in there. So, because the coffee comes out hot, I'm gonna leave this cup here, and I'm taking a coffee pot, and I'm coming over here. And I've got my espresso set to baby cup. I'm gonna hit start. Now, if you want it extra strong, you can do a second one, which of course we will.
Oh yeah.
Then you're gonna let that chill for a minute so it's not super scalding hot when you put it in there. Okay, so after that's chilled for just a minute or so, you're gonna pour that in there and you don't want it to fill too high. That's why we make small coffee. Then you add your milk. And there you have it, your caramel macchiato to start your morning off right. I hope you all have a wonderful day. We'll see you next time on Cooking with Friends. Be sure to like and subscribe and ring the bell. Get notifications every time we post a video. For more cooking and drink videos, like our page. Pour that into the ice. Oop, and I made that really full. Can I do that again?
Yeah.
It's just like way too full. I shouldn't have poured that much in there.